So as we embark on our study of 45, 45, 90 right triangles and 30, 60, 90 right triangles, the most important thing is to first get the nomenclature down. So what do I call the parts of these triangles? In front of you here, you see a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So it has two 45-degree angles and one 90-degree angle in it. Two terms you're going to want to familiarize yourself with are leg and hypotenuse. So in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, you're going to have two legs, and you can see me moving my mouse over those two sides. These are the two shortest sides in the triangle. Okay? And in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, you're going to realize that these are the same length because it's an isosceles triangle. The hypotenuse, as with any right triangle, is the longest side in the triangle. It's always going to be opposite the 90-degree angle. Now, what do I mean when I say opposite the 90-degree angle? I mean the only side that is not one of the two rays making up that 90-degree angle. So you can see the legs are actually the rays of this 90-degree angle. You go to the side that is not a ray, that's the hypotenuse every time. Now, in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, it changes a little bit because this is not an isosceles right triangle. So we still have two legs, as you can see. However, you're going to hear them referred to as a short leg and a longer leg. Okay, the short leg, okay, you can see me going over that right now. That's always going to be opposite the 30-degree angle. Again, what do I mean by opposite? If you look at the 30-degree angle, there are two rays that make it up. I'm tracing over them right now. Right? The short leg is opposite it because it's the one side that isn't a ray in that angle. Similarly, the longer leg is always opposite the 60-degree angle. Right? Longer leg always opposite the 60-degree angle. What do I mean by opposite? Well, the longer leg is the one side that is not a ray in this 60-degree angle, right? You can see me going over the two rays that make up this 60-degree angle. The longer leg is not one of them, so that's the side opposite the 60-degree angle. Lastly, just like with any other right triangle, just like with the 45, 45, 90-degree triangle, the hypotenuse is always the longest side in the right triangle, and it's always the side that is opposite this 90-degree angle. So again, if you look at my mouse, I am scrolling over the two rays in this 90-degree angle. The side that is opposite it is the side that is not one of those two rays. And in this case, that is our hypotenuse.